Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Any question?
How do we render perfect service to Krishna?
By your anxiety. If you are anxious to serve Krishna, that is the real asset. Krishna is unlimited. What service we can offer to him? And he has got unlimited servants also. What service he requires from you and me? He is perfect in himself. He doesn't require any service also. But if you are anxious to serve him, then he does not refuse. That is his mercy, that is his magnanimity. So the more you increase your anxiety to serve Krishna, the more it becomes perfect. He is unlimited, your anxiety become unlimited, so there is competition. The more you serve Krishna, the more he accepts you, and the more he gives you intelligence. You see? So the spiritual world is unlimited. There is no end of service, and there is no end of accepting service. It is not that. So, eagerness. Tatra laulam ekamullam. That is, I am not manufacturing the answer, but I am giving you evidence from Rupa Goswami, our Acharya. He says, Krishna bhakti rasa bhavita mati kriyatam jadi kutopi labhati. My dear gentlemen, my dear boys, girls, if you can purchase your sense of loving Krishna, how I can love Krishna more and more? This much. This anxiety. If you can purchase this mati, means intelligence. It is very nice intelligence. How I shall serve Krishna? Krishna bhakti rasa bhavita mati. Mati means intelligence or status of mind that I will serve Krishna. If you can purchase this status of mind anywhere, please immediately purchase. Then, next question will be, all right, I shall purchase. What is the price? Do you know? Yes, I know what is the price. What is that price? Laulam, simply your eagerness. That's all. Laulam ekamullam. That I can have. No. Na janma koti bhi sukriti bhi labhati. This eagerness, how to love Krishna, this is not available even after many, many births. So, if you have a pinch of that anxiety, how I can serve Krishna, you must know you are the most fortunate. A pinch on Lola, this anxiety. How I can serve Krishna? It is very nice. Then Krishna will give you intelligence. Tesam satadujuktanang bhajatang priti purvakam buddhijogam dadami. Anyone who is engaged with love and affection in my service, without any hypocrisy, then Krishna can understand everything. He is within me, within you. Then he will give you intelligence. My dear boy, you do like this. And by doing that, what he will achieve? Jeno mam upajantite. He will come back to me. And what profit he will get by going there? Jadgatyana nivattante tadhama param mama. Mani pata vipasya jepi supapajuna. Dukkhalayam asasatam. There are so many. Please read Bhagavad Gita as it is. You will get perfect knowledge, the science of God. That is the only study for human being. So, simply your eagerness is the perfection for serving Krishna. Increase that eagerness. And eagerness means if you love Krishna, that eagerness will increase with your increase of love. How I shall serve Krishna? Because you are voluntary servant. Nobody is forcing. That means unless you love Krishna, how that eagerness will increase? So there are so many things to love Krishna. Beginning is the Savanam Kirtanam. This Savanam, hearing and chanting. Hearing, you are hearing Hare Krishna, you are hearing Bhagavad Gita, you are hearing Srimad Bhagavatam about Krishna, and chanting. This is the beginning. Then, naturally, Savanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Padasevanam Archanam Bandhanam Dasam Sakham Atmani Vedanam. These 9 kinds of different varieties of service to Krishna will enlighten you, will advance you in Krishna consciousness, and your life will be successful. Any other question? Try to understand question. It is not a thing that we are forcibly pushing. You have got intelligence, Krishna has given you intelligence. Try to understand with your intelligence, but do not try to avoid it. Make your question to understand it, not making question to avoid it. There are 2 kinds of questions. That question will not help you. If you try to avoid, then Krishna will help you to avoid. And if you want to capture Krishna, then Krishna will help you how he can catch you. 2 things are going on. Whatever path you want, you can accept. Jidathamang prabaddante tang sathaiva bhajam. Krishna helps according to the person's attitude. There are just like so many philosophers, they want to forget Krishna. Just like we'll find in Dr. Radhakrishna's book, in the 9th chapter, Krishna says, Manmana bhava mad bhakta madjaji mang namaskuru. The translation is all right, but he comments, it is not to Krishna that you have to surrender. That means his whole process of writing the book is to mislead person how one can forget Krishna. So if anyone wants to forget Krishna, Krishna will give him such intelligence that he will never be able to understand Krishna. But if anyone tries to love Krishna, understand Krishna, he will give full of intelligence, he can understand. That is Krishna. You have got full liberty. But if you forget Krishna, then you have to serve Maya. And if you love Krishna, then Maya will leave you.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.